What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be, another review day. Got a new thing, and it's called Xtra candy. Can't see. Gummy. Extra candy gummy. It is e-liquid salt nicotine, up to 1,500 puffs. Capacity is 5 milliliters. It's made by Hookah Kings. I don't know if you can really see. Yeah. So let's get into it. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Really good flavor. Like, honestly, probably one of the best flavors. It was $22, $23 actually. It was $22. It just tastes exactly how, it says. It tastes exactly how it is. It's pretty good, to be honest. Really good. It, honestly, every time gives you a good throat hit. Taste is phenomenal. Get you buzzed pretty quick. You could smoke puff bars all you want. You can smoke a lot of nicotine. This will get you buzzed. Maybe not super buzzed, but it will get you buzzed. And honestly, it's really nice. Okay, yeah, it goes. Yeah, it's probably one of the best I've ever had, probably my whole life. I barely just found out about these. There's really not much to say about it. It's probably one of the best that has ever been made for disposable. At least in my opinion. It's really good. So yeah, really that's all I gotta say about it. That's all I gotta say in this video. If y'all want me to answer any questions, review something, just let me know and I'll do it. Just leave a comment down below. I like how it lights up at the end, the bottom. It's pretty good. If you guys just want me to do a smoke sesh, talk about random things, let me know. I will, in fact, do it. I'm definitely going to be trying to get one of these again. This is really good. Really smooth hit. It's quiet, really quiet when you hit it. No sound at all. Really good. Not much to say about it, to be honest. Again, just another disposable. It's different than most others. It's kind of big for a disposable. It's heavy too. But it's really good. Yeah. Like I said, if you want me to do a Q&A, review something, let me know down in the comments below. I'll do anything. And you want me to do some prank videos, I'll do it. Anything, whatever you want, got you. If you can go follow my Instagram or have me on Snapchat, it'll be in the description below. Yeah. That's all I gotta say. So, like, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever, anything. See you guys later.